Hey everyone, employees have certain fundamental duties to their employers under both common law and Singapore law. These duties form the foundation of the employment relationship and help ensure a fair and functional workplace. Under common law, employees must adhere to several key obligations. They have a duty of obedience, meaning they must comply with lawful and reasonable instructions from the employer. They also owe a duty of loyalty and fidelity, which requires them to act in the best interests of their employer and to avoid conflicts of interest. Employees are expected to exercise reasonable care and skill in performing their tasks, ensuring diligence and competence in their work. Additionally, they have a duty of confidentiality, meaning that they must not disclose the employer's confidential information both during and after the employment. One specific duty that plays a critical role in employment relationships is the duty of good faith and fidelity. This duty requires employees to act with honesty and integrity in all dealings with their employer. It includes avoiding conflicts of interest, such as working for a competitor while still employed, and not misusing employer resources for personal gain. Employees must also protect trade secrets and confidential information from unauthorized disclosure. Courts have reinforced this principle in various cases. Breaching these duties can have serious consequences. Companies may take disciplinary action such as issuing warnings, suspending the employee, or terminating their contract for misconduct. In cases where a company suffers financial loss due to a breach, the employee may be sued for compensation. This is particularly relevant in situations where confidential business information is leaked or misused. Some breaches may also result in criminal penalties, especially in cases involving fraud, misappropriation of funds, or breach of trust under the Penal Code. Convictions can lead to fines, imprisonment, or both. Beyond legal repercussions, breaching these duties can damage the employee's professional reputation, making it difficult for them to secure future employment. The duty of good faith and fidelity is particularly important in maintaining a fair and transparent employment relationship. It is not just about avoiding wrongdoing, but also about fostering trust and cooperation between employers and employees. From an employer's perspective, enforcing these duties helps ensure that the company's interests are safeguarded. Employees, on the other hand, benefit from job security and career progression when they uphold these responsibilities. However, there is a fine balance to be maintained. Employers should ensure that their expectations are clearly outlined in employment agreements and employee handbooks, while employees should seek clarity if they are uncertain about their obligations. Understanding these legal principles fosters mutual respect in the workplace and helps create a legally compliant and productive work environment. Thanks for joining me in this discussion on employee duties. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.